Well, heard about one of our fellow sawyers getting hurt while filling water on his sawmill. Fell back and hurt his back, so I come up with my own idea now. I don't have to climb up on the mill anymore. So I got a shut-off valve. If you're off-grid, this is the way you can go. You can buy these pumps, shower pump on Amazon, right here. Turn it on. She's filling her up. This is if you're off-grid. And I'm going to rig it up also that I can hook my garden hose up, since my mill is at home right now. She's filling up. And then to shut it off, you shut your valve once it's full. Just like that. And turn on your water. Works like a charm. I hope this helps everybody that is tired of climbing up on their mills, especially if it's on a trailer like mine is. I'm not young anymore, pushing 61 shortly, so take care, saw straight.